Looking to travel internationally with your newborn child? Well, here we're going to go over the steps you need to take in order to get that passport.
What's up, YouTube? Trevi from the Adventure Buddies, the modern travel family, bringing you another video filled with tips, tricks, and inspiration to make sure you maximize your next family adventure, like we always do here at the Adventure Buddies.
First things first, all children under the age of 16 must apply in person with both parents or both legal guardians. Then they will be using the form DS-11 to go throughout that process. And a reminder, it cannot be mailed in. These have to be in-person appointments. When going to these appointments, it's important that you bring the necessary document. The first main document is you need to be able to prove US citizenship or certificate of citizenship. This is typically going to be done by your birth certificate with any newborn. Parents, you will also need to provide your own identification to the appointment to make sure that you are who you say you are. And parents, you do need to be there to authorize the issuance of this passport to your child. And then the last main part that you need in filling out your application for your kid's passport is making sure you have the correct photo. So 2 options, you can either bring your own photo, but it must follow the guidelines needed for a passport photo, or what we typically do is we just pay a little bit extra and have them take it on site during the application. Note though, you must find a place during the application that says that they actually have the capability to take your passport photo. Then the last piece is paying the filing fee. Also to note, there are a few different options in terms of delivery based on how soon you need that passport. So you can get normal, rushed, or even expedited to make sure you have that passport in time for your next international travel. So there you guys have a simple and easy way for you to get your child's first US passport. So if you like this video, please consider hitting us that big thumbs up. Subscribe down below for more travel tips and adventures. And most importantly, remember, life's an adventure. Who are you going on it with?